Hey Siri, say cheese. Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to use Siri to take photos on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Shortcuts app, tap Gallery from bottom menu. On the search box, search for Say Cheese. Tap Say Cheese and tap Add Shortcut. That's it. Go back. Now, if you set up your Siri earlier, you can say, Hey Siri, say cheese. Hey Siri, say cheese. Siri will capture a photo for you. Tap Allow once and go to Photos. Here you will see the captured photo. So, these are the steps to use Siri to take photos on iPhone.